Hello, Modoo everyone. This is Ojay, a Korean pero kusang Pinoy. In my mission to learn more about Philippines and Filipino people, I created the project to be able to speak to many different Filipinos from all walks of life. As a chef in the past, I learned to show my heart with the food I make. So I prepared a small gift to show my love for Filipinos. Together let's laugh and cry as we heard the story of these Filipinos. To support this project, hope you can subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you. Hello, Modoo everyone. This is Ojay and welcome to my channel. Now I come with GMA Kamuning. So really expecting new friend Filipino. Let's see who meet new Filipino. Okay, let's go. So how long did you work in here?
30 years. Sa isang araw, morning, evening, night.
What is you making hard?
Only night, beat,
You're now working.
Medicab,
How long did you work in this one?
3 years,
3 years. Actually, how long did you working?
8 hours,
When you start?
8 a.m. and 5 p.m.
Oh, this one. What is your bring to paper and then selling?
Scrap,
Collect everything.
yan siya.
Do you have a family? Yeah.
Family,
Uh,
wala, other na lang.
so how long did you work in this gardening?
27 pa lang. 1987.
It's not hard. This gardening.
Naranasan ko na rin nahulog dito eh. At saka ito, nung tataas ito, daming tinik. Matinik ito eh. Minimaintain ko ng putulan para hindi na tumaas. Kaya pag tumaas na siya, matinik na.
You making hard to your work.
Mahirap na trabaho. Ayan, umakyat ng nyug.
Climb tree.
Kumukuha ko ng buko at saka nililinis.
So you're selling to ice cream.
Yes, sir.
So how long did you work in here?
2 years.
How many have you baby?
7.
7 baby. So you should hard working. Still have you wanna making baby?
Tama na siguro yung 7. Okay na yung 7.
Okay na 7.
Kasi
Ah.
hirap na, wala pang ano. Wala pang paral.
How many you selling to ice cream one day per day?
Benta ko lang sa isang araw ay minsan 1.8, 1.5, 1.6. Hindi po parehas eh. Depende kasi sa araw eh.
So what do you do? What is your job here?
American surplus.
Oh, so many have customer come.
Yeah.
Oh.
My product is from Korea, America,
Ah.
Japan.
Japan also. Oh.
Okay, you go. You
Let's
inside.
go.
Huh?
Let's go inside.
Okay,
Ah,
okay.
Let's go inside.
Okay. You go inside.
Oh, it's big, huge.
There's many, diba?
Oh,
So,
it's big.
like this, yeah.
When you started here,
10 years ago na.
are you starting 10 years?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Kalakal. May ipon basura.
It's not hard.
Hindi naman, yung siyempre, amoy babaho nga lang yun. Yung basura kasi.
So what is you making hard or get stressed?
Yung init, ulan, ang kalaban mo ron. Kakasakit ka, init. Tapos kakasakit ka. Lipin lang yun.
You sleeping here? Oh,
Umbrella only.
umbrella. Do you have a family?
Oh.
Oh, so how many do you have family?
Ay, sa ngayon hindi muna kami nagsasama kasi nagtatrabaho siya.
Why?
Busy kasi siya sa trabaho. Stay in.
Because of work.
Because of work, stay in.
So your working is Grab food.
Grab Express.
Grab Express.
Yes.
It's very hard.
Okay lang naman kasi pag parang part-time ko lang naman kasi siya. Parang pinaka-worst na na nangyayari sa akin sa trabaho. Pag umuulan, kasi mahirap mag-fix eh.
Coming late is very hard. You're now part-time job, right?
Part-time lang sa pahinga muna kasi ako, resign ko lang.
What
Gusto
is
ko
it?
sana mag full-time sa trabaho mag-apply. Ang problema kasi walang nagbabantay sa anak ko.
Starting 10 years.
This coming March 25, I'm already a senior citizen.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think I will drive also for almost another 5 years more. I'm still working, but not really like this every day. Almost 10 hours or 8 hours to work.
After you are left to your job, what is your plan?
Go to the province.
So how many you have family?
Two daughters.
Two daughters.
Sons.
Two sons. So you're working alone here.
Yeah, in 2015, when the Grab was began, I decided to back in Manila.
So you're just living alone and then just saving money and then give to your family.
Yeah,
It's not lonely.
it's a small sacrifice.
Did you have breakfast already? Not yet. Not yet. So in the morning, I prepare to similar this one bread sandwich. I handmade. So enjoy to your meal. Thank you so much, Xavier. Thank you so much. Bless you. Ito ka ba, kuya?
Gutom din.
Gusto?
Oo.
Because, okay,
Ay.
wait lang. Because in the morning, I prepared my sandwich.
Thank you.
Okay, did you have a breakfast or lunch? Voila. I love the Philippines and really for some Pinoy. So I'm curious about Philippine life and then I want to meet more Pinoy. That's why I'm just looking around the people. Because I prepared food.
Sige, thank you.
Thank you. Itong ka ba, kuya?
Tom? Medyo.
I made it for you. And love the Philippines.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Kuya, in the morning I prepared this sandwich. Very malaming masarap.
Malang masarap. Okay.
So try to eat and thank you for interview.
Okay.
Thank you. Kamsahamnida. Salamat po.
Okay.
Thank you. Gutom? Gutom ka ba? Gutom ka ba?
Oo, wala.
I want to give two for you. I already writing have a nice day. And then my Oppa Ojay. So also I give some gift for you. This one is it's not good quality. This one is I made this one.
Thank you, sir.
Really have enjoy. And inside has tuna, maybe. Awesome. Thank you for interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So if you gutom, eat this one, okay lah? So enjoy food, okay lah? So if you're hungry,
Yeah, thank you.
Hello, Model 1. This is Oppa Ojay, and I finished this project. I met some homeless people, but their life, I look sorry about their life is very hard. But when I ask in interview, it is not because here life is very hard, but mine is very already satisfied and be happy. So really, I learned again to them. Even life is very hard, but if we are feeling like happy, satisfied, it will be alright. So don't worry, be happy. Please subscribe to my YouTuber channel and like and comment. I will come back. See you soon, okay? Bye bye. Ingat.